Dearest gentle viewers, it has come to this author's attention that the most eligible residence of the season has entered the market. The lady of the house insists she is entirely at peace about this. Sources report she has fluffed the same cushion until it has, frankly, had enough.
Okay, we're gonna go outside. Okay, so I can talk. Oh, these doors. So big, so heavy. Okay. Perfect. I'm gonna sit down so I can talk. Perfect. Hello, my name is Zuzana, and we are getting our house perfect for it to sell. So our house is on sale, it's on the market, and we want to make sure that it's absolutely perfect. And I thought I would share this cleaning hack with you because it's been working really, really well for me. So my cleaning hack is that you just have to pretend that your house is on sale. Ours is actually on sale. It's actually on the market. However, this has helped me clean out so much of my house, and it has gotten rid of so much clutter, and it's been absolutely wonderful. So I highly recommend doing that. You can follow along with me. It's so much fun. And I get to use all of the new fun cleaning products that I've never tried before either. So that's also been a lot of fun. Oh, my dog is stuck underneath the chair. Oh, okay. Hopefully she'll be okay. Anyways, we're gonna go and clean. Oh, and I forgot to say, today the daycare called and told us that our son might have pink eye. I took him to the doctor. I rushed him over to the doctor. It turns out he does not have pink eye. He actually has an ear infection that's starting, so he's sleeping upstairs. I can't talk in the house right now because he's sleeping. I want him to sleep for as long as possible so he can feel better, but thankfully we caught it early on. He's gonna get his meds, and we're gonna stay home together tomorrow. And obviously today as well. So I'm going to try to get as much cleaning done today as possible before he wakes up. And then maybe later on we can clean all together. So I want you to join me on this journey, and let's get the house clean.
And there it is. The lady has decided that her home is not being sold. It is being courted. It will not meet buyers. It will receive suitors. This author finds the logic deeply flawed and completely charming. The residence, for its part, has no idea it is on the marriage market. The dowry being demanded for this residence is, in this author's opinion, evidence that the entire market has lost its senses. The lady did not set the price. The lady cannot do math. This is perhaps for the best. But enough of that. Now, back to the cleaning.
So for this portion, I am going to put on my apron so I don't get all dirty. And then I do have something to show you guys after I fix this. Okay, perfect. Fold it in and up. There we go. I'm gonna tie it so I'm not like splattered everywhere when I'm working. But I do have something really cute to show you guys. Okay, tied. All good. Okay. Look at these gloves. They have little frills on them and they don't get wet because they're like rubberized all the way to the ends. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? I absolutely love it. And look at the little frills on the end. Hold on. So cute. I will link them down below, but I thought they were so cute. I just got them off of Amazon. I think they were like $3, $4, but I thought it would be really nice so I wouldn't have to destroy my hands while I'm washing everything and using chemicals as well. So I like them.
The lady you see before you is Lady Susanna. She is industrious, she is radiant, and she has never once finished a cup of tea while it was hot. Observe the apron. Today's is the rose red, scrunched at the waist, scandalously short at the hem, paired with what this author can only describe as whatever was on the floor. Say what you will of her ensemble, and this author has said plenty, the lady works harder than any soul in the household. The effort is impeccable. The outfit is a separate matter entirely. But this author digresses. Back to the labour at hand. And once again, dearest viewers, the lady does battle with the AeroPress. The AeroPress is winning. It usually does.
So during this whole process of selling the house, I have been using different cleaning products, and this is one of the new ones that I got. It's the Pinellen Luxury Scents one, and I guess it's a multi-surface cleaner, and it smells really nice. This one smells super, super nice. You can use this, let's see.
Give her a moment.
Oh, you can use this pretty much everywhere. Stove, countertops, tiles, tile walls, sink, toilet, faucet, sink, bathtub, shower tiles, tables, garbage cans, chairs. For any other surface, first apply on a hidden area. Interesting. Yeah, but it smells really good. This is in the scent of Opulence Bloom. Rose and Vanilla Orchid. That sounds really nice. Yeah, no, it smells really good. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna clean out the sink and the rest of the top over here, and we'll have a good start of at least the kitchen looking a little bit cleaner. Bye, little sponge. You have done really well. I think it's time for me to throw away the scrub daddy because he has seen way too much. I would like to introduce you to our new little friend. So cute. He's all brand new. And yeah, at least we got the sink clean. We're gonna wash the jar later. The countertop we can sweep in a second. And now we can do the other half of the house, which is kind of like a living room area, and it's really dirty because that's where Cal plays most of the time. So let's go clean that up. Little teeny tiny socks everywhere. Some of you might enjoy this, but my husband got me these little like straw covers so that, you know, if you have bugs around or anything. In Arizona we have a bunch of flies this year for some reason, I don't know why, but they have these really cute straw covers, and look at these. They have little ones, they have little clouds too. It's so cute. I put the little star on it, but yeah, I think they're really useful. They work for any like straws, and it's nice because like for example these ones, they're not sharp, so if you have a baby around and you don't want them to accidentally fall on a straw, if you know what I mean. These little cutie pies, you can use them. Little cute clouds, I love it. I just love cute things like that. Absolutely adorable. Like, look at the little faces. Look at the little faces. Hold on, there we go. Oh my gosh, so cute. So cute. So much happier with that. I feel like the kitchen feels a lot cleaner, which is nice. I wiped down the tops. Everything is pretty much organized, and we're in a much better state than we were before, so that's exciting. And then later on, I will tackle the laundry and everything else, but that's upstairs. And that's where the baby's sleeping right now, so I do not want to wake him because he already woke up once. And I can tell that he's not feeling too well, so I'm gonna let him sleep for as long as possible, and then I'm gonna give him some chicken soup, some chicken noodle soup, and then afterwards I can do the laundry. But that's kind of partially why we're selling this house, is so that we can get a house that's a single story house, so we don't have to worry about going up and down the stairs. And he's really little, so him climbing up and down the stairs is super dangerous, and he's only 1. So imagine the next like 5 years of having stairs and having a little baby. We decided not to do that, and for our dogs and for ourselves too. So we're choosing a different house that matches our lifestyle better, but I love this house because we built it from the ground up. It's so beautiful, and it's honestly like my favorite place. So selling it is also kind of breaking my heart because I love this house so much. I'm gonna miss it a lot. I'm gonna miss it so much. But I really hope that we can find people, like a family, that will love it as much as I do and take care of it. So that is the goal. I hope we can do that. And I hope someone falls in love with it as much as I have. Oh, I'm gonna miss it. I'm gonna miss this neighborhood. This neighborhood's amazing. So hopefully you find someone soon so it doesn't sit on the market for too long. So cross your fingers for us. Send us all your prayers. And let's hope we sell this beautiful house together. But for now, we gotta keep it super clean.
And so the estate stands ready. This author must admit, grudgingly and only once, that it has never looked so fine. The residence will surely charm every suitor who calls. Its lady, however, would have loved it just as much. Filthy. Until next time, gentle viewers, this author shall be watching. This author is always watching.